I made 5 huge mistakes that almost cost me my career as a content creator before it could even really begin. I'm Georgie-Ann, and if this is one of your first time watching me, I am a content creator, entrepreneur, mom, and extreme doer. And last year, I decided to go from 1,600 followers to almost 25,000 followers in 12 months. How did I even do that? Well, let me explain. Before we get into that, how did I mess up? First thing that I did that almost cost me my career as a content creator is the fact that I didn't diversify my income enough. And that's because I got monetized on Instagram, I got monetized on Amazon storefront, I got monetized on Threads, and I depended heavily on my Instagram and Threads income. For a few months, I was making over $1,000 on Instagram alone. I didn't think I needed to spend a lot of time with affiliate programs and other partnerships, as well as I was making UGC content. That's when I get paid to create videos for other brands. And I didn't invest enough time in the UGC content or in my affiliate programs. And when Instagram and Threads decided to end their programs, that income source quickly ended. And I had the means in which to increase my revenue on, like I said, affiliate programs, UGC content, and other brand partnerships, but I didn't focus on that enough. I didn't invest enough time and create a large enough strategy that would let me ride it out when these platforms decided to no longer pay creators. My goodness, who said that? That was one of the major things that I did.